Hi Nikhil. So how are you?
Yeah, fine, fine, Varun, tell me.
All good, all good. So
Yeah,
so excited. Thank you for joining us today because it's a really pleasure.
yeah,
So like earlier I was saying about Adaalo. So
yeah.
just tell me about Adaalo.
So first of all, really thanks to, inviting me here. What you're doing right now, it's really great. Hats
Oh,
off to you. That's you're doing something like that. You can connecting the new entrepreneurs and people actually who want to learn and they want to understand how it works, how they can start, and they can learn from it. So
exactly.
thank you very much for this thing you're starting up.
Pleasure
And
is always
then
mine.
yeah, so Adaalo, like, see, what I was doing at that time, my background is totally finance actually, and I
Oh,
always have fascinated by online thing back in 2013 and 14. That what to do, that
yeah.
everybody is going through online, they're starting up e-commerce, they're
Mhm.
creating an app, they're doing something out of it. I should also do something about it. But as a background, is a finance background. I done my MBA back in 2007 from Bangalore,
Okay.
and I was having a stockbroking business
Okay.
back in 2009. So I was doing my like just boring job from 9 to 3:30. Market open in the 9 o'clock. My client used to come. It's just the same thing every day. So
Okay.
I want to do something new, something like everybody is doing something like online. So I started researching about this idea. First of all, I was thinking to go into e-commerce,
Okay.
but especially e-commerce in India, they have some difficulties to get things done. And I was always a customer of Olex and Quicker,
Okay.
so I tried to sell things, used stuff, and all. So
Mm-hmm.
I was really fascinated by the people that people are coming on this portal and they actually selling their used things,
Uh-huh.
and it's like a free. And India is a price sensitive market.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to do free. So there's a free portal,
Exactly.
and all you have to do is create a portal
Uh-huh.
and give it for free,
Okay.
and people can help each other to sell those products which they don't want to use anymore.
Exactly.
So I was before starting up, it's just the idea that I want to create something better than the Olex, better than the Quicker, so I
Okay.
can find those problems and understand how to go about it.
Okay.
So this is like how, but as a challenge because my background is totally finance, and I want this is all tech,
Yeah.
and I don't know A to Z about the tech background of tech and nothing like coding. I was like zero, but as a challenge, I want to do. I want to start. I want to learn.
Mhm.
So that's why I started this classified and grow to this level right now.
So like you said, like through like fastest it's the fastest ad campaigning we have right now, right? Like
Right.
5 seconds with we
In
can.
5 seconds, you can post the ad in another.
Okay, so like comparing like other competitors like Google ads or let's say Facebook ads, how we are going to bring this a platform into such a place wherein like people can get to know more about it. Like what is the future plans about? What is the customer acquisition strategy you are thinking right now?
So what happened? We got a lot of mails from our customer
Okay.
about our what we are actually, how we are helping them, and
Mhm.
how we are doing that. It's all about you give me like I'll give you one example.
Okay.
You know that this MI, who's a number one mobile maker in India right now,
Yes.
is never done any paid advertising.
Exactly.
You know how they scale up? It's only people to people. If the product is really good,
Yeah.
if the product is working with the people, they ultimately going to share.
Yeah.
In India, it's work like that. It's like bhed chal.
Word
It's
of
a
mouth.
bhed chal marketing.
Yes.
If you like the product, ultimately you're going to talk about to 10 other people.
Exactly.
So what my suggestion, what my thing, if you are a bootstrap, if you are the funding, that's really great. Ultimately, you can scale with the growth hacks, with the paid ads and all. But like a lot of people, if you see, they don't have the money and they want to start.
Exactly.
There are a lot of tools in the market. There are what you can do. Try to make finding a problem,
Mhm.
then start finding a solution.
Option for that.
With that solution, you can give that through free marketing, through SEO, through content marketing, and try to scale up. That is the main thing.
It's
And our next thing is all about the customer. The
yeah,
customer is going to take us to the next level. It's
yes,
because the customer has actually taken us to this level when we reach to this level, and this customer is going to take us into that level. I'll
yes.
tell you about the funding. I never went to for a funding,
Wow.
but a lot of people have came to me, understanding my product. See, this is a vertical. I never expected something that I want to reach. See, the market is 3,000 crores in next 2 years. The
Yes.
total market, and the market 70 to 80% market share by the Olex and Quicker.
Yeah.
So even we target like 2% of the market share. Forget about 10% and 50%. 2% market share in next 5 years. With a free marketing, free content, and with this, ultimately we'll grasp that kind of market share that it is fine for us to scale up to that level. Because already this kind of product, it's done in market. So a lot of people come with a new idea, something new, something, not like classifieds, and classifieds is running for the last 35 years.
Yeah.
Like we see an example in US with the Craigslist.
Yeah.
Then you will see an example with the in India, like Olex and Quicker, which you're doing for almost 15 years from now. And that way, like you're asking about the growth hacks. See, I'm the top writer in the Quora. If you search cars, like used cars, and because what I had done, it's all like free. Quora is free.
Yeah.
So if you're starting with a product, you start writing in Quora.
Yes.
And I have multiple categories, not only used car, used bikes, used cycles, used computers, used everything. There are a lot of questions that people are asking. All you have to do, go, start helping them, and ultimately they will come to your product and see your product. And if your product is problem solving, ultimately they're going to use the product. Why you have to give the money to come to they got to know about your product when you actually can do it free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the one of the growth hacks, I think it's working for you, is pretty much good, like Quora. Even also you're creating a personal brand based on that Quora.
Right.
So you're becoming a top writer is something,
Right.
So
It's all about, Varun, it's all about creating a brand. I never want to create a business out of it. I just want to create a brand. See, businesses ultimately can die in next 10 years, in 5 years. But you can see as per the brand will never die. Maybe they will die 100, 200, but brand is, people should start creating a brand, not the business.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So that is my thing, to creating a brand to help people. So people will remember, okay, Adaalo actually helped us in that way through content marketing. See, if in SEO also, when you search classifieds, free classifieds India, we are into top free organic results in top 10. Okay. So you can say like almost 40% or 40 to 50% traffic is coming through Google only, Google search engine. Google search. So how it is reached? So this is the only way, content marketing, SEO. So it's like free. It's all about time, giving the time, not the money. Okay. All you have to give your time. Yeah.
Even I saw that in like SEO, in like backlinks, there are like 1 lakh backlinks you have created. So I was just going through that. In Ampliz also the rank is pretty good. Even I saw that there is an active user of 35,000 users.
Right.
So how is there, what is the churn rate like? Is there any kind of churn rate per month?
Actually, right now we have reached almost 1 million users, registered users, you can say that. And our monthly traffic is coming around 1 lakh uniques. Okay. Which is like new and returning, you can say, in and out. Sometimes as it will come up 10 to 25% of error ratio will be there, 75,000 to 1 lakh. Sure.
And there was a particular line I was reading through, like service-based business classified gets real-time reviews from the users. Yeah. So what is exactly that?
Reviews, yeah. So what we have done, see, when we're starting with all the categories, from car and bikes to services kind of categories. Okay. So what we have seen, that 60 to 65% of the people are coming from the businesses side, means services side. Okay. They want to post their business. We are getting less people who want to sell their car, but more people who want to post their business. Okay. So a lot of business query was coming that we want to post the business, and we can see from the data we are getting
Yeah.
So what we have done, creating a thing that people who are posting their business,
Yeah.
they can get a rating.
Okay.
Like you haven't seen an example like Google, Yelp,
Yeah.
that people can post their business and they can post the like they contacted the business, and while contacting the business, this kind of feedback they can give to that particular business, so other people can get a help that they can contact their business again.
Okay.
So when we're listing the business, the people who are using that business, they can also put rating. You can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So tell you how to do a 5-second, because what we have done, I'll show you here. You can see this is the main thing. This is the journal, a normal ad posting thing.
Okay.
And which I was talking about, that people don't have the time, so they can post ad in 5 seconds.
Okay.
So what you have to do, you want to post an ad, all you have to do, click here, post ad in 5 seconds. A new form will open. You'll see here.
Okay.
All you have to do, title, price, any image you want to add.
Is that price CTC, like the click-through rate?
Yes.
Okay. Each click's 4 rupees, right?
No, that is not the one which you're talking about. See, Varun, it's all about when somebody want to sell something or post something.
Okay. Okay.
So we are not into PPC marketing like that kind of Google or Facebook. We are totally into free classifieds. They want to post an ad so people can see.
Okay.
So we charge something for higher listing. Like they want to list higher in the top results in the homepage, so we can charge them.
Okay, for that,
like
premium plan.
Right. Premium or lead-based kind of monetization system we are into. Not into PPC kind of that people want to create a campaign through Google or Facebook. We're totally into classified.
Got it.
So here, name, they can search with the like Bangalore. They can search.
Okay.
And through that, whatever the area they can search, they can put a local area also. Like I want to search Ahmedabad, and I want to say Ahmedabad in there, and I think everything is done. So the pictures. For example, this picture.
And simply put your ad.
Just post the ad. That's it. I mean, we have, see, the ad is posted. So we have another, you can see that people can, get more views on their ad. If they were selling, they want that more people can see the ad. So we have a featured option also. Like they can post with the 10 days, they will get 50 views guaranteed on the ads. And these are all the options for the paid one, if they want to choose.
Got it.
And we have another Adaalo wallet. So through wallet, so what happened that we tried to creating a referral system, again a free growth hack.
Okay.
People should learn this. How they can, refer a friend, refer a people. That thing really works. I can tell you that 30% of the customer I got from referral through this. So what happened? You can see earn 1,000 rupees on the corner. Okay. That really helped me to get more than 30% of the customer right now I'm having. So what happened when somebody want to earn 1,000? You can see everybody want to earn online. Okay.
Yeah.
And somebody want to earn online, they click on earn 1,000. It's called refer and earn.
Okay. Got it.
3 easy steps to earn up to 1,000 by referral.
Okay.
All they have to do, import their Gmail friends or import their Yahoo friends.
Okay.
Or they can share on the Facebook. They can like also with the Facebook. And this is, we have explained how you can earn 1,000 rupees. So what happened? If one person clicking on that link or accepting that invitation to create an account in Adaalo, they will earn 20 rupees. Okay. And that 20 rupees they can use for the paid ads.
Okay, got it.
Understand? So now the person who, example, a person have referred to 10 people, and the 10 people have actually accepted his invitation. So that person who have actually referred and earned 200 rupees.
Exactly.
So that 200 rupees will be available in his wallet. He can use for putting in a paid ad.
Got it.
So that way, people, he's getting the wallet money to use the paid, and we're getting a customer.
Got it.
So this kind of growth hack, see, as you're asking in the before that, how we can use that paid and we can go about it. I mean, for the budding entrepreneurs who coming and they want to start something like that, they should totally work they can do growth hacks like this.
Exactly.
Referral system, SEO, social media. It's just to not like posting just like that every day. It's just how actually they can help people, right?
Exactly.
I'm helping people to earn money.
Yeah.
If you don't give some kind of work, if you don't give some kind of cash back or something like that, they won't be motivated to come back and sharing that referral.
Okay.
You got that point? So that way. So that person, if he having that money, you can see use Adaalo wallet. So in my wallet right now there is 20 rupees. You can see.
Yeah.
So if I have the more than 49 rupees, so I can use that standard app to creating and doing it absolutely free.
So yeah, so I think you get three referrals. I think.
Yeah, 3 referrals get 60 rupees.
Exactly.
That's all you have to tell 3 person.
Got it.
But for us, it is like 3x.
Yeah, exactly.
Understand? So
referral marketing is absolutely a great growth hack, because in your report also, like I saw the chart wherein like you have more than like 11.5% of revenue coming from referral marketing.
yeah,
So it's
of
pretty
course,
interesting to go through
right,
referral marketing right now.
right.
So
Percent as actually the customer is coming through referral only. I have acquired
yeah,
almost, you can say 2 lakhs. I have the data right now, because generally whoever refer, I got the data that how much people have actually referred. So I get the one option, referral users.
Okay.
So 2-3 days back, I was checking 2.5 lakh people I got from referral.
Okay.
So it's all free. I never paid a single penny for that. So whoever watching that, they have some idea that they don't have to spend actually. All you have to use it the right way. Yeah. Right?
It's great, pretty great.
Yeah.
Like what other tools? Is there any marketing tools or tech stacks you're using?
Yeah. I've already have cleared you for the Google Analytics, Klaviyo or MailChimp or Zoho.
Okay.
Or another thing is Crazy Egg.
Okay.
Then you can for your team, you can use Slack.
Yeah.
Slack you can use to giving the work and giving the task and all.
All the communication.
Yeah, communication and all that. And then see, for the SEO, I'm using Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the best tool actually, which actually helped us to grow the SEO traffic.
Yes.
So that is one tool we can using that for that. And then first thing you should understand through SEO that a lot of people don't concentrate on this Google Search Console.
Okay.
So that is real metrics it will give you how much, like for a person who just starting up right now, it's just 1 month when he posts his website, the website is live, the people are coming. So where he will get the data that what actually people are doing through Google Search Console. He will have some idea of what kind of impression are coming, where people are clicking. Through that he can understand and create a better pages.
Okay.
Where people are coming and Google are giving the impression. So one more thing is Google Search Console they can use for the SEO part also.
How many team members are there right now working in Adaalo right now?
Right now, actually, a lot of people are working for me through, you can say, freelancers.
Okay.
I have a team of freelancers which they are working.
Okay.
Through different, maybe in India and maybe outside India also. Okay. Actually, I created a team of pool of people who can actually help me through like small. An example about the hiring and all.
Okay.
How I actually do that. I don't find the highest number of experience.
Okay.
That is not my metric to on the top. Either the person having a highest number of experience and actually not hitting me that he's not better than me.
Okay.
You don't know better than me.
Okay.
If still having the 5 to 6 year experience, I will not hire that person.
Okay.
If that person is 0 year experience, but he is smarter than me, he know much more than me, which I already know.
Okay.
So that is my perfect candidate. Either you have a 0 year experience or 5 years. That is the first criteria whenever I try to hire somebody.
That's
So
it.
that is the one thing which I generally work. And when I starting with my team, like I only hire in-house people who have actually created this site.
Yeah.
Then as I was growing up, as we are bootstrapping and we created a revenue out of it. So what I have done, I was like break the team in the in-house and I converted the team to freelancers. So
Okay.
people, one person is somewhere in other country, one person in India, one person is outside Bangalore. Actually, we're based on Bangalore only.
Okay.
So that kind of, so we are through online only through Slack, and we're giving work to each other, and like that kind of way
Yeah.
we are working with.
So, but through I was just going on with the pitch. I found one more question. You were talking about a lot of things about offline market also, like reaching out to the mobile, like the shops and all, and
Yeah.
tying up some affiliate marketing with.
So what we have an idea, which Quicker and Olex had never done that.
Okay.
Like somebody having a lot of shop, every corner you can see recharge shops, small shops here and there. So we have an idea that we can do, that people who want to sell like offline.
Okay.
For example, you want to sell your mobile
Okay.
and you don't have a mobile. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm saying you want to sell your car and you don't have a mobile to sell. You don't know how to sell, how to go online, log in and register and do all the things in the world, and then try to post, and then you will contact, and then you will get a call.
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can go to local shop wala downstairs
Okay.
and tell that this is the car, this is the details.
Hmm.
Can you just post the details? And that person can give his mobile number to get all the calls. So
Okay.
person who is giving that details, that person will post behalf of.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So the person, see, you can see the mobile right now, it is kind of increasing that above 50 people, they don't know how to use that online class. If you ask somebody above 50, they don't understand how this works. So they only understand the local people, how it works. So if they, somebody like for a example, a recharge they're doing in the shop, and they can put a banner that sell anything.
Yeah.
From car and bikes to scooter. So somebody will come and, okay, I want to sell this car, I want to sell this scooter, how can I sell? So they can help us to post the ad. So we'll give that some kind of commission to that person who are posting the ad.
Got it.
So two way it will help. One is our brand awareness will be there on every board. See, a lot of people know about Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
But they don't know what is Pepsi and Coca-Cola, but they know about Pepsi and Coca-Cola through local advertising.
Okay.
So every corner of the shop, there'll be a banner. It's called Adaalo, where you can sell anything, like through that. So brand awareness will be there. Then we will capture we will enlarge the target audience. The target audience for the classified is right now is 18 to 38, 18 to 40.
Okay.
So from this, the person who's not using the mobile above age 40 to 50 to 60, they will have some idea how they can sell their used stuff in the local shop.
Okay.
So two advantage will get, but this is something like we need a lot of money for that. We need, if you want to scale up in this idea, we have an idea. See, idea is nothing if you don't, start working on that. Okay. The idea will be zero. The value will be zero. If you not start working on it.
Yeah.
To go with it and start working on it, we need funding.
Okay.
So we are still looking for the people, not to funding, but to partnership with us. Okay. And we need a partner who the person or a company or brand, they can partner with us. So there will be some kind of advantages. Like we already have a partnership with Mithula.com. That's a MNC for all over the world. They have more than 15 million monthly unique. Then we have a partnership with Droom.in. That's an India top marketplace for selling used bike and used cars. Okay. Then we have a partnership with Troit. Troit is another global brand. We have partnership. So we have tried to done this kind of partnership. So they will also have an advantage, and we have also an advantage. We're just looking for the people for that both they can get an advantage, like a Paytm. So Paytm and some other people can join us. We both can join and finding an advantage and disadvantage in each other, and we can scale up to this kind of thing, and we can help people to enlarge the target audience.
Got it. You discuss about the funding. So what is your future plans for the fundings? Are you aiming for the next round or anything like you said, it's a bootstrap right now. So what is your plans for the next offline campaigning. Anyway, you have to look forward for the funding, right?
See, Varun, after going a lot of conferences, lot of pitch around and all that, I have understand one thing is that for the funding, you never have to go to the investor. Try to be so good in that investor should come to you.
Exactly. Okay.
That is the one thing I've learned in this funding thing, that try to make your product, try to solve the problem, try to give that to customer, which customer can tell the investor that, this company is really good here. I've used this product, I've used this feature, I think it's really good, I think it's going to scale. Ultimately, the funding will come.
Okay.
That's the one thing.
Okay.
Which we are looking for. We want to work on our product. We want to work on the service, and ultimately people start contacting us. So one person is, we already talking to multiple investor. We have already talks with the Australian investor, was in Canada who want to invest, some budding entrepreneurs also. They already have running a startup. So they are interested in our idea. They want to do something in India. And then we are talking and doing it, want to do some partnership. We already talking with them.
Okay. There is one more question left in our question.
Sure.
So that will be very interesting because you have to pitch your product under 1 minute.
I'll say not in 1 minute. I'll say, you heard about elevator pitch?
Yes, elevator pitch. I have seen that YouTube video.
Very simple thing what we are doing. The first point, Adaalo is all about solving the problem, and we are offering fastest posting ever in India. You can post an ad in just maximum 5 to 10 seconds. And the second thing, we are finding a product discovery tool, that price discovery tool, that people can find the price, what price they can sell.
Okay.
So these are the two problems which we are actually solving, and try to find out the customer and giving to them. Okay. So this is 2 points we are pitching to the people. First is fastest posting ever. Second is price discovery.
Okay. Got it. So it was a real pleasure talking to you, about the startup Adaalo. I'm really, guys, this is Nikhil Sharma, the founder of Adaalo.com. He's a founder of a lot of companies, to be very precise. Even a store, FII, it's amazing website. So everyone, guys, please check out Adaalo.com. If you're trying to plan to create any online classified ads under 5 seconds, that's what he's assuring. Under 5 seconds, log into www.adaalo.co.in. Am I right?
Yeah, .com actually.
.com. Okay, so it's Adaalo.com.
And they can contact me also at nikhil@adaalo.com.
So I will leave the descriptions below the video.
Any kind of help they are looking for, any kind of mentorship they are looking for, they can.
Exactly. So Nikhil,
I'm always I always like to help people who are actually coming and want to do something.
Thank you for joining with us, Nikhil. So until next time, we'll keep updated about Adaalo.com, and have a great day ahead. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you for joining.
Thank you very much.
Okay.